Hi everyone, my name is Winstar, the designer behind the 4-room Resale HDB at Tampines GreenRidges. The homeowners are a retired couple who wanted a home that feels spacious, comfortable, easy to maintain, and offers plenty of storage. At first, they had different preferences. The husband preferred a dark and sophisticated color palette, while the wife leaned towards a brighter and warmer atmosphere. After seeing the proposed design, they both agreed to go with a dark theme as the main concept of the home. As the husband enjoys smoking cigars, I specially designed the living area with foldable glass partition and a proper exhaust system. When needed, the space can be enclosed without affecting the home's air quality, while still allowing plenty of natural light to flow through. The homeowners also love cooking and frequently host family and friends. To suit their lifestyle, I created an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen area that encourages interaction and makes entertaining more enjoyable. The statement dining pendant light serves as a striking focal point, while the display cabinet beside the window cleverly conceals the structural beam and aligns seamlessly with the folding glass partition, creating a clean and cohesive look. It also displays the homeowner's favorite decor and collectibles, adding a personal touch to the space. A custom dining sideboard adds extra storage and preparation space, making everyday use and entertaining much more convenient. Thoughtful detailing further enhances both the aesthetics and functionality of the space. As the homeowners enjoy cooking, I designed a dry and wet kitchen layout. The breakfast counter is ideal for light meals and socializing, while the enclosed kitchen is perfect for heavy cooking, striking the perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. With generous countertop space and ample storage, the kitchen remains spacious and practical even when used by multiple people. From the common areas to the bedrooms, custom-built cabinetry has been incorporated throughout the home to maximize storage and keep the space neat and organized. The master bedroom features a clean white palette, complemented by warm ambient lighting, to create a calm and relaxing retreat. The bathroom continues the same design language with dark wood finishes, marble look tiles, a recessed shower niche, and soft cove lighting, bringing together elegance, warmth, and functionality. Once again, my name is Winstar. Thank you for watching.